Hi everyone, Petal is Bliss. I'm gonna show you how to make those items for spring, and these are the things we're using for DIY number 1. Alright, so we have this little plaque thing here that I got, and it has some holes on the back to help hang it up. You can hang it up on the wall using this, or you could use a flat surface and have it displayed on any surface that you want instead of hanging it up. So I like the design on this. I think it looks super cute. I love how it looks. So I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm just going to add some bling to it. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to show you how easy it is to just take a simple item and spruce it up for a nice spring decor. Okay, so I'm going to use some of this bling wrap that we have here, and I'm going to use some hot glue. Now, I got my bling wrap from Totally Dazzle, but you can get this same bling wrap from the Dollar Tree. So we're just going to use some hot glue and glue it going right around to the other side. Okay, so that's all done now. Now we're gonna add our flowers. Okay, I have these flowers that I had bought from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna use, you can use anything, a scissors, anything. I'm just gonna use this little clipper here. Take the flowers and place them on the back part, and I'll be using some hot glue to help hold them down. So I'm just gonna put a bunch of glue and then put the flowers, the stems of the flowers in there, and hold it down for a while, because you do have to wait for the glue to dry, otherwise the flowers will move. So just hold it for a bit and wait for it to dry. Okay, so now it's dry a few seconds later, and see, there we go. Doesn't that look nice? So now we're just going to continue adding more flowers, going all the way around our plaque, and do not cover the part where you can hang it up on the wall, just in case you want to. Make sure you leave that part clear, but you can add the flowers all around. And here is our finished look, a nice and fresh decor for spring. I like how it turned out, and see how easy it is. Plain and simple. You don't have to add no paint, no too much things. You get a nice item from the dollar store, add just a few little things to it, and you can have it looking more lovely. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of DIY number 1. Would you leave it as it is, or would you paint it? I like the tone of the wood. That is why I left it, and I love the Be Kind sign. But tell me, what would you do? Leave it plain and simple like I did, or would you have painted the sign? Leave the comment down below. And now these are the items we'll be using for DIY number 2. Okay, we're going to start with our bowl, and we'll be using some black acrylic paint, and I'm just going to paint our little vase all the way around. I'll give it one coat, let it dry. Okay, now I have this drinking glass or wine glass from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using some of this bling sheet that I have here, and I cut it into strips, and they have self-adhesives on the back, so we are just going to add them to our wine glass and just bling it out. And now I'll be adding a little piece going right around the top part of this part of the decor. There we go. And now I'm just going to continue adding some more bling going up to the top part of our wine glass now. Our wine glass, which is going to be the top part of our candle holder. And now that that's all done, I'll be adding some more of our strips going up to the top. I was just going to do the 4 sections, but it looks kind of empty still, so I'm adding some more within the space, in between the 4 spaces. You see what I'm doing. And now we have the bottom part of our candle holder, the vase that was painted black. It's all dry now. So I'm going to use some of this bling I got from Totally Dazzled. And I'm going to show you how to take off the little lash on the back using my clippers again. I am just going to hold both ends and then just a little twist and they come off so easy. Again, hold it. If I can get a hold of it. And a little twist and it comes off so easy. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue it onto the front part of our vase. So now I'm going to use some Gorilla Glue and glue our 2 pieces together to make our candle holder. And here is our finished look. I love how this candle holder turned out. I think it looks so beautiful. And using the items from the Dollar Tree, added with some more little bling, and we have these lovely candle holders. A lovely and fresh decor for this spring of 2023. Here's our candle holder with the candle inside. I think it looks very nice. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today, and I hope I have inspired you with 2 nice DIYs to help brighten up your home for this spring of 2023. And I hope you guys will give me a thumbs up for today's video, and if you're not subscribed, I do hope you will hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you'll get notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.